What if I told you that Amazon could play a huge role in the future of clean energy, and it might make some people very rich? Today, we're looking at Whitney Tilson's big idea called Helios. He says it could be the next trillion-dollar shift, powered by nuclear fusion and artificial intelligence. But is it real or just hype? Let's break it down in simple terms. So first, what is Commodity Supercycles? It's a research service run by Tilson at Stansberry Research. Every month, he shares stock ideas tied to energy, resources, and big world changes. The goal is to spot huge trends early, like nuclear fusion and AI, before most people catch on. Who is Whitney Tilson? He's no random guru. He went to Harvard, managed a $200 million hedge fund, and has been on CNBC, Bloomberg, and even 60 Minutes. He warned about the dot-com crash, the 2008 financial crisis, and made early calls on Netflix, Apple, and Amazon. So he does have a history of being right on big shifts. Now let's talk about Helios. For years, fusion power was treated like science fiction, but in 2022, US scientists achieved ignition, making more energy than the reaction used. This could mean almost endless clean energy. Here's where Amazon comes in. Amazon is spending billions on AI data centers, and AI eats up massive amounts of electricity. Tilson says the only way to keep AI growth sustainable is pairing it with a limitless power source like fusion. Even crazier, AI might also help solve the hardest problems that still block fusion from scaling. Stick around, because in a minute, I'll tell you about a surprising company Tilson says is quietly betting big on fusion. If you are interested to subscribe, please check the link in the description. Fusion could be like oil during the rise of cars, or like the internet in the 1990s. Tilson even says it could create $40 trillion in new wealth, and billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates are already backing it. So, how can normal people invest? Here's the good news. Tilson isn't talking about private deals only billionaires can touch. He's pointing to public companies anyone can buy through a normal brokerage account. Members of his Commodity Supercycles get a full model portfolio with buy ranges, updates, and price targets. They also get bonus reports. One reveals a major oil and gas company investing heavily in fusion startups. Another covers stocks building new nuclear infrastructure. And a third highlights a small AI-related stock trading under $5 that Tilson thinks could soar 500%. We're halfway through, so here's the key point. This isn't just about one stock pick. It's about staying ahead of the curve on massive global shifts. The service also includes daily market insights, Tilson's own notes, and even a free subscription to Stansberry's investment advisory. Normally, it costs $499. But right now, there's a deal for $79 the first year with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So is Tilson's fusion bet legit? The truth is, no one can promise that nuclear fusion will deliver soon. It's still risky. But Tilson has a record of spotting big ideas early, and his focus on fusion plus AI makes sense. If these forces come together, the payoff could be massive. Here's the final thought to leave you with. Scientists say one glass of water could hold enough fusion fuel to power a house for an entire year. If that becomes reality, the world will never be the same. If you want more details about subscription, please check the pinned comment.